Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to view the password of the Wi-Fi connection that your computer is being connected with. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, your computer must get connected with any of your home Wi-Fi connections. Say I'm having one Wi-Fi connection in my home. I'll be connecting it firstly. So I've connected. So we'll find out or we'll view the password of this Wi-Fi connection which I'm connected, that is my computer is connected with. So how to do it? So let's proceed. So what you need to do, you can see here a control panel. If there is no control panel in your desktop, so you can do one thing, you can press Win and S button to open the choice menu, and you can type there control panel. So once you see the control panel, just open or run it. As you can see the control panel right now. So what you need to do is, you can see here network and internet. Just click on it. So now after seeing this, what you need to do is click on network and sharing center. Now you can see the Wi-Fi internet connections here available, as you can see here directly. So what you need to do next is you need to go to this change adapter settings. Just tap on it. So once you go there, you can see here various devices. Right now you are being connected with this Wi-Fi TP-Link. So what you need to do is just right click on this. So after seeing, you can see here a status. Just left click once. So now what you can see here is wireless properties. So just tap on it. So now what you need to do, you can see here a security written above. Just tap on it. Now you can see here the network security key. So this one is the password, which you can see in a dot style. So what you need to do is this: when you click on show character, it will display the password. So in this way you can get the password of any Wi-Fi connections that your computer is being connected with. So if you have problem of forgetting any Wi-Fi connection that you're being connected with, or you want to share those Wi-Fi connection password with your friends, then you can find that Wi-Fi connections password using this process. So you try it out, and I'm sure in someday it will be very useful. If you have forgotten the Wi-Fi connection password, then you can find it out by using this method. So in my opinion, you definitely try this once if you're having a Wi-Fi connections and want to view your Wi-Fi connection password using my tutorials. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.